If you guys are interested in finding out how to make one of these little Halloween coffins, stay tuned. So I have my design ready to make the coffin. So it's going to be 5 pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the material to this basswood plywood. And then I'm going to highlight all of them. And I'm going to change them to cut. And I'm going to do 2 passes because I found with the basswood plywood that I have that it takes 2 passes for it to cut all the way through. And then for this Halloween, I'm going to have this to be engraved. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the basswood plywood into the xTool, and I'm going to get the distance measurement as well as I'm going to mark the area. So I'm going to hit start marking, rectangle. I'm going to do the marking of the left and then the left top and the right bottom. All right, so I'm going to hit end marking, done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure all these pieces fit inside of the area that I marked. Also, what I want to do is just make sure it's the size I want. So I'm going to highlight all of these. And I think I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to adjust these to be a little bit bigger. Okay, so that looks good to me. Just make sure it's set on output for everything. All right, so then I'm gonna hit process. And start, and then I'm gonna turn on my fan. So the first thing it's going to do is do the engraving, and then it's going to cut everything out. Okay, so it's all done. I'm going to take the pieces out of here, and then we're going to paint them and then glue them together. All right, so here's all the pieces. Okay, so the colors I'm going to use, I'm going to do silver for this one. I'm going to do black for the cat and the bat. I'm going to do orange for the pumpkin. And let's see. Maybe I'll pick a different color. We'll see how it looks from there. So let's do this one first. So for this one, I'm just going to color in silver. And I think I'll do purple for the background for this one. So then I'll do silver for this. All right, so there's that one. And the next one I'm going to do is this one. So we're going to do this one purple. So this will be that back piece. I'm just going to make this whole thing purple. So here's that purple. So this one will be pretty much just be a spacer for these. So then it'll look like that. And so then the next one I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the cat. I actually might make the cat a different color. So let's see. So first we're going to do the bat as black. Okay. And oh, let me make sure I get the whole thing. Okay. And then I'll do the cat. Actually, I think I'm going to keep the cat as black too. Just make it a black cat. So I'm going to color that one as well. I'm going to do orange for the pumpkin. All right, so there's all the pieces. All right, so we're just going to glue them together. So I'm just going to quickly glue them together with this glue here. It's just this Craft Bond glue. I got it from Michael's. You can use any glue that you want. So like if you have a glue that you feel like is a stronger glue for adhering, then you can use that. But this is what I use just to do a quick gluing for the videos. So I'm also going to put some like in the little webbing part just to get some glue on there as well. All right, so 2 more layers. I guess I only really need to glue the outside of the other one. This one I'm going to glue on top of this part because this part will help stick to it. All right. So that's getting it stuck on the web there. And then for this last piece, this glue is pretty much done. Okay. So I'm just trying to make sure everything is even. Okay, so everything's good. All right, so that's the end product. That looks super cute. All right, Hope you guys enjoyed. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.